up, y'all, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. I told y'all what it was gonna be when I dropped the last video. I'm back with another hair install from another Amazon wig company. I will leave all the description, the link, all of that in the description box below about on this wig. Like I told y'all, it was gonna be another honey blonde highlighted wig. This one is also 20-inch. It came pre-plucked. It is a 13x6. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this video. Let's get started. Y'all already know what I'm about to say. Y'all, pretty much I went ahead and took my last wig off that y'all just saw me install. So I still have that cap on. I'm just gonna go back down and lay it down with my boho. I have the boho active, and we're gonna get straight into it. So we're gonna go ahead in with the second wig. Y'all, I try to not make my videos as long. The last video was about 10 minutes. Y'all let me know if that's too short. If y'all do want more detail of what I do when I'm putting on my wigs. I just feel like there's so many videos out here and so many videos that I've done personally showing y'all my process. I just get up here to install it and then talk about the wig a little bit, figure out a style to do. That's pretty much it. So y'all let me know if y'all want me to be more detailed. I know some people do things differently. So we're gonna let that dry. So the wig comes with, let me just go ahead and show y'all 3 combs. Actually, it comes with 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, 1 in the middle. Comes with an extra strap for all my peanut girl heads, because I got a peanut head, y'all. So it comes with an extra strap, and then that adjustable strap is already at the bottom. So 2 straps. Let me go ahead and cut. This is my little hair bag, y'all. Got what I need in here: my spritz, my wax stick. This is my wax stick that I use. Yeah, I'm be right back. I gotta multitask. I gotta go back to my TikTok and hop on my. Alright, y'all. I am back off my Zoom. So now I'm just going in and basically pressing the lace into the glue. Maybe I'm back. That took a little longer for me to figure out how to snap that in the back. But y'all, it's giving Beyonce. It's giving Beyonce. Y'all gonna smell like liquor. Is she not? Is she not giving Beyonce? Is she not definitely giving Beyonce? Anyway, let me not feel myself too much. So we about to go in. Y'all know how this go. On your finger. Don't spray this directly up there because your wig will be crunchy. Like sometimes I be doing it when I'm in a rush, and I definitely notice the difference. My wig be mad crunchy, and that's not what we want, sisters. We don't want to be crunchy. We want to be laid, slayed. Not fried, dyed, and laid to the side, okay? I'm sounding like ew. I'm still trying to get over this. I'm over the cold. I'm just still congested, but that damn breathing, boy. God damn. Alright, so we about to go ahead and put our band on. I don't got my band with me, y'all. I forgot. I be forgetting stuff. Y'all know I be forgetting, so I'm gonna go put my band on. And I'm gonna see. Y'all ain't tell me my camera was a little slanted in that last clip. But this how she looking. We about to lay our baby hairs, put our band on one more time. I did put a little braid in it. I need to stretch it out. Alright, let's lay these baby hairs. Alright guys, so this is actually how the hair came out. I love it. It turned out so cute. Like I said, it's giving the girls Beyonce. Beyonce. Yeah. Y'all know when she was in that video swinging her? That's how I'm feeling right now. That's me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this video a like. Make sure you guys comment. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys share. And stay tuned for the next video. Duh. But yes, I will be leaving this all the information to this wig below. Make sure y'all go hit that link. I've been giving y'all the blueprint. I've been giving y'all the sauce on affordable wigs, okay? Y'all done seen me review big companies with bigger names and the hair has been trash, okay? Amazon ain't missed yet. Sis, Amazon ain't missed yet. Not with me. Not with me. So make sure y'all go hit that link in the bio and make sure y'all go shop with this Amazon wig seller, okay? I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I promise you. I don't even have the words because I ate that up. Ate it up. Yeah. Psych. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.